I know you're managing project for your organizations. Are you having problem with your project? Meaningly, are you missing deadline every time? Are you having cost overruns and your stakeholders are not happy about it? This is all happening because you're not managing projects in a proper manner. So what to do? Project management is a management expertise which can be taught, learned, and practiced. PMP, or Project Management Professional, is a credential offered by PMI. It's a great way to learn project management. I'm Munir. I'm a PMP certified project manager. I train people on how to learn better project management. I offer 3 months mentorship which ensures you're passing in project management professional exam in very fast go. So this is your time to learn project management and to be a better project manager.